There are tons of DIY hair mask recipes out there in this world, but did you know baby food makes an excellent ingredient for your next hair mask? Well, just stay tuned as I explain the benefits of using baby food and share some of my favorite recipes. Hey curl friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rochelle and this is Discocurlstv. If you're new here, welcome. My channel provides tips on how to care for your fine curly hair so that you feel empowered and supported to be the best version of yourself. I post weekly on Sundays and I'd love to have you subscribe and join my community because I do product reviews, curly hair tutorials, pregnancy and postpartum hair care, DIYs, and much more. Now some of you might be like, why would I use baby food in my hair? So let me just explain some of the benefits. Number one, typically when you're doing a DIY hair mask, you're going to have to use fruits and veggies that need to be boiled or blended and pureed. Baby food literally cuts your time in half by already being pureed and super smooth. Number two, there is nothing worse than doing a beautiful at-home DIY hair mask only to rinse it out and find chunks left in your hair. Nobody wants chunks in their hair. How many of you have had banana stuck in your hair after a DIY? Let me know down below in the comments. Number three, it's pure and natural. You can relax because you know exactly what's going into your hair. Now I recommend using organic baby blends because you don't want the added preservatives, and honestly it's not that much more expensive. I think I spend an extra 20 cents going organic versus non-organic. Number four, it's cost effective. You can get a jar or pouch of baby food for about $1 and up. One of my favorite easy hair masks uses banana baby food, and banana is literally one of the hardest fruits to get out of your hair when you're doing a DIY. So I really appreciate a jarred or pouch version of this. It just makes your life so much more simple. This is such an easy recipe because it only requires 3 ingredients. You're going to use 1 jar or pouch of banana pumpkin baby food, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Bananas are super hydrating and full of potassium and can really help with dry and itchy scalps. Pureed pumpkin also helps with dryness, but it's effective for damaged hair. Plus it smells amazing and I love using this during the holidays to get me in the spirit. Olive oil will nourish the scalp, condition the hair, and improve elasticity. And honey is an excellent humectant that treats dandruff, conditions, moisturizes, and makes the hair shiny. Now I always like to have a few other tools when I'm doing these types of DIY hair masks, so I always make sure to wrap a towel around my shoulders. I like to use a hair coloring brush to make the application process a little less messy. I also use a disposable shower cap or a plastic bag if that's all I can find, and just something I can throw away when I'm done with the hair mask. I also like to have a few sectioning clips and a comb for any tangles. The first thing I do is combine all of the ingredients. I get a small bowl and add my pouched banana pumpkin baby food mix, olive oil, and honey. You can use a spoon to blend it all together and then your mask is ready to go. If your hair and scalp are dirty and due for a wash, then go ahead and cleanse first and then proceed to the next step. If it's not, then just rinse and detangle the hair well. I typically do about 4 sections and start applying my hair mask from the back and work my way up to the front. I like to make sure that all of my strands are really saturated, and then I clip my hair back and tie on my plastic bag. I'll leave this sitting for about 20 to 30 minutes. Now that the 30 minutes are up, it is time to rinse this baby out. Even though we are using pureed baby food, it is still extremely important to rinse well, so I make sure that it rinses super clean. Now this next part is optional, but if you really feel like you need it, then do an additional co-wash with conditioner to help remove any remaining bits of the food. By now my hair is feeling super soft, and I'm going to continue with my styling routine and let my hair air dry. And these are my results from doing this banana pumpkin hair mask. My hair definitely looks shiny, it feels moisturized, strong, and soft. This was super easy to do, but I also want to share another one of my favorite hair masks using baby food. For this particular mask, you're going to need 1 jar of organic sweet potato baby food, 1 jar of organic banana baby food, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil or coconut oil. The reason I like sweet potato baby food is because it really helps with dryness and also hair loss, which is something I talk about a lot on this channel. I've already discussed the benefits of using olive oil and honey in this video, but let's talk about coconut oil. I mean, hello, it's so amazing for everything on your body, right? Your skin and your hair and your nails or whatever. For the hair, it's going to help reduce frizz, add shine, it's going to help with a dry and irritated scalp, it's going to help strengthen and also soften the hair. I really hope you enjoyed these recipes and learning about the benefits of using baby food for your next hair mask. As always, I'd love to hear from you guys about your favorite DIY hair masks down below in the comments, especially if they're including baby food. I want to swap recipes. If you're new to my Fine Curly crew, I'd love to have you subscribe so that you never miss another one of my videos, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you are properly notified of when I post new content. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.